How you doing today? Welcome to another video. Today we're playing this flip up fridge. Let's see. I played this game before. Basically, you have to load them all up. You click these, then you grab these, and then you load them all up like that. Your goal is to load everything up. And if you mess up, you click that. So you just gotta go like that. Oh no, I don't. Take that out. Perfect. So here, since there's not enough, I go like this. Because these guys are small, so they can stack up on each other. So we're now going to do that. Go up, go up. We need to fix this. Here we go. Yes, we did it. Probably just going to make this a 5-minute long video. So that's it. Ooh, coins. Okay, let's go. Let's go now. We might have ads, but I will cut them out. One sec, you guys. First, we'll do this. No, I got an idea. These, yeah. Excuse me. No.
I'm about to see if it works.
Don't worry, I just had to
What you said?
do an ad. Don't mind, that's just my brother. No!
Time will feel me.
Go, go. No!
Well,
Why does it do that? I can't.
it's not.
I just had to do another ad because this thing isn't.
Are you guys all inside?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Staying inside?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't mind, that's just my sister. Okay, gonna go along the sides carefully. No! Oh god. Yes. There we go. Stop going in the middle. Why? I'm probably gonna edit soon. I'm just gonna finish this and then I'll edit. Yes! Ooh, broke it. It's broken. Go you and press these sodas. No! Why'd you go forward? There we go. I'll put some.
Make some what?
This might be a little bit longer than I said it would be. Okay, great. This might be a little bit longer than I supposed it would be, but whatever. Longer the video, more fun it would be. Like a parka.
Battery 9% charged.
So you charge the motherfucker.
Yeah, but I played on it. Did I do it? You need that wrecks it if you don't have it on. Lucas, put it back on. Just an ad, you guys. No, I'm gonna end it right there. See ya in the next one, you guys.